Chinese construction giant China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation on Saturday signed an agreement with an Ethiopian company to build a business complex in Addis Ababa, the capital of Ethiopia. The $200 million project, which will incorporate a 5-star hotel, a mall, and apartments located at the heart of Addis Ababa, is expected to serve the growing number of business travelers, multinational organizations, and foreign investors once completed. Darajay Habtamu, the chief executive officer of DMC Trading Private Limited Company, said the project to be completed within 3.5 years will be one of Ethiopia's landmarks that will embrace the latest construction technologies.
ይህ ትልቅ ፕሮጀክት እውን ለማድረግ እንግዲህ ኢሲሲ የተባለው ትልቅ ፕሮጀክት ትልቅ የኮንስትራክሽን ካምፓኒ ነው። በሀገራችን ትላልቅ አውታሮችን ዘርግቷል። እንደምታውቁት ከጅቡቲ እስከ አዲስ አበባ ያለውን የምድር ባቡር የዘረጋልን ይህ ትልቅ ፕሮጀክት ነው። ከኔ ጋር አግሪመንት ያደረገው
He will put in all lower best talent, people and equipment. I believe it will become a landmark in Addis Ababa.
CCECC, which entered Ethiopia's construction sector in 2012, has successfully accomplished a number of flagship development projects across the East African country. The company is currently undertaking the China-aided future headquarters of the Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in Addis Ababa.